Welcome back to another video of chapter 1 of our Introduction to Java book series, and particularly these videos are focused towards the accompanying book that we published called Introduction to Java. And in this video, this is also going to be published on our channel Smart Architectural Programming, and in this particular video we'll be going over the different options you have in context to the IDEs that are available for you to use in Java. In particular, you need to understand that if you're learning from our book or just starting out, this video will help you choose the best IDE for your requirements to enhance your coding experience. So based on that premise, let's dive in and understand exactly what you need to know about IDEs in Java. First things first, what is an IDE? That's the question that we need to answer first. IDE stands for for Integrated Development Environment. It's a software application that provides tools like a text editor, compiler, debugger, and more, all in one place. An IDE makes coding smoother, faster, and way more efficient than using a basic text editor. So, generally speaking, when we talk about IDEs, we need to first focus on the different popular IDEs there are. What are the most important IDEs, or what are the most popular IDEs that are used in Java? In our case, we'll be highlighting it into 3 particular examples, and each of these examples have a certain niche that would help you. The first and the most important one is IntelliJ. So IntelliJ is by JetBrains and is known for its intelligent code assistant and user-friendly interface and powerful debugging tools. It is widely used in professional settings and supports multiple frameworks. And it is a terrific choice if you're serious about Java development. But the thing about IntelliJ is basically that it's a professional grade tool. It would require you to buy the subscription of this tool in particular. And if you're a professional and you have some extra cash lying around, this is the best tool that you can use for working in Java, especially if you want to look at yourself as building a career in Java, basically. So there's some important aspects to IntelliJ. IntelliJ is, if you look at the screen right now, that's how IntelliJ's interface looks. And it might seem a little bit tricky if you're not familiar with IntelliJ, but it's a very, very helpful interface for people who are working on master level or software development level, professional level projects. So there's a lot of features here that would help professionals code in a much more smoother fashion. Now let's move on. One of the most important reasons why IntelliJ is that important is because all of these features that you can see on the screen right now that help you a professional in making their lives easier when they're coding in Java, basically. So based on that, IntelliJ is a very, very good tool if you're looking to go onto the professional path, or if you have extra money lying around that you can spend on getting the best tool for IDE or professional Java software development, basically. Then we have Eclipse. So when we talk about Eclipse, we need to remember that it is an open source, highly customizable, and a huge ecosystem of plugins. Basically, you can micromanage and exactly customize how your IDE looks like, what it focuses on, what tools you need, so on and so forth, because it's an open source tool with a lot of plugins that you can do to customize your ability or your focus in Java, basically. If you love flexibility and community support, Eclipse might be the best pick that you can have. And then we have another option, which is NetBeans, basically. So with NetBeans, always remember that it is also open source, and it is also a great choice for beginners, thanks to its simple and intuitive interface. It supports multiple languages, but Java remains its stronghold. So just as a focus point, remember NetBeans is for people who are completely beginners. Like, they're coming in, they need a simple platform or a simple IDE to work on, which is free, cost effective, and they can easily understand what's happening there. Go for NetBeans in that case. But and it can be used for multiple languages as well. If you're looking for something more customizable, something more niche, then we have Eclipse. And if you're looking for professional development and you have some extra cash lying around, then IntelliJ is the best tool that you could use. Now, fitting all of that together, we need to realize basically that whichever IDE we choose, installation is very, very straightforward. So you can head over to the official websites of these platforms, download the version that matches your operating system, and follow the setup instructions. Most IDEs also come with built-in support for Java. So setup is very easy and very simple. So I don't need to go too deep into the setups. And that's it. a quick introduction into Java IDEs. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you're following this video along with the book, remember to read through the chapter before this or after this. Read through the chapter at least once before coming to these videos, because that is the only way you'll become better and learn more from this book and take the most out of this course. With that, I'm going to wrap up this video and see you in the next video. Thank you.